In front of me is Google Pixel 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Google device. First of all, access Tab menu and look for location shortcut. Then click on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to tap on this pen icon at the bottom right corner of your Tab menu. Scroll down and look for it here. Then hold it and drag it to the top. Place it wherever you wish to. Click on the top left corner. And then finally click on it. As you can see, after that, location of my Google Pixel is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same shortcut. But you can always go into settings instead and look for location section over here. Then click on it and manage location of your smartphone by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!